Now, as I was discussing about deep feeder, which I said in my previous video, like it is uh, vertically goes deep inside the soil and fixed deeply inside the soil. It is one main root that goes and penetrates deep down the soil in a vertical form. The second one is your surface feeder. Now, what happens in surface feeder? It is the short taproot. It is not vertically or getting penetrated deeply inside the soil. It is a short taproot which give rise to many lateral roots also. It is not the main root. It is having many other branches also. So this is the surface feeder and it spreads horizontally in all direction. The second one is your adventitious root system. Now, as I said, what is the main difference between taproot system and adventitious root system? The main difference is the taproot system is the originating from the radicle, whereas adventitious root does not originate from the radicle. It can originate from any other part of the plant. It can penetrate from the branches. I mean, it can spread in the form of branches. The it can come down in the form of this thing. It can develop from any part of the plant but not the radicle. So this is the main difference between taproot system and adventitious root system, even for fibrous root. So fibrous root is one type of adventitious roots only. So basically there are three main roots: taproots, adventitious roots, and the third one is your fibrous roots. This prop root which is given, it is actually in type of adventitious route only, but it is being modified for doing some different means it is being modified for route. I mean, it is a route which is modified to do different function, specialized function. So that we are going to take in the next video, where I'm going to discuss about the modifications of tap roots and adventitious roots. But prop root is a type of adventitious root only. So, what happens in adventitious roots? It is the in this adventitious roots, the primary roots which are coming are very short lived. So what happens? This when it is short lived, they, or you can say it is weakly developed, they are replaced by the lateral roots. They are replaced by the other lateral branches of the roots, that is the secondary roots or tertiary roots. As you can see here, in fibrous roots, they are not coming from the main root. Means fibrous roots does not have any main root. It is uh, having many different other roots or lateral roots from where it comes out. So what happens here? Adventitious roots are basically, as I said, in taproot there are two types of system: surface feeder and deep feeder. So when this adventitious roots are basically surface feeder, and they are modified to perform the functions according to that. So what happened in this these are generally present basically in the monocotyledonous plant. As I said earlier also, all the most of the dicotyledonous plant are having taproot system, and mostly all the monocotyledonous plant are having adventitious root system. So these are and some of the specified or specifically modified dicotyledonous plants are having adventitious roots, like just I said, like prop roots. So these are not monocotyledonous plant, but they are type of adventitious root. They are not the type of tap root. Now coming down to uh, functions of the roots. This is the third topic which I said I will discuss in this video. There are two main kinds of functions which roots perform. One is like basic main functions which roots perform. The second one is the modified or secondary modifications of the, like also I said, specialized functions, as I said, for the prop roots, that I'll discuss in separate topic on the modifications of the taproot and adventitious roots. So here also I am not going to discuss this second point or second topic, that is secondary functions or modified functions. I am going to discuss about the main functions, which we know what is the why soil is important for the why roots are important for the soil, why roots are important for the plants. So here you can see the first main function of the root or primary function of the main root function of the root is encourage. What you mean by encourage? Encourage means root anchor or fix the plant to the soil and provide the support to the aerial part of the plant. As I said, the first part, as I discussed in the types of the roots, the mature cells which are present on the base of the stem, the main function of those uh, cells or that part of the root is to provide support to the aerial part of the plant. Means there is one shoot system above the root system which is connected with the roots. So the main function of this root is to provide the support and fix that plant to into deeply straight into the soil. So this is the main first main function which is root are doing, that is encourage. It fixes the plant to the soil and it provides the support to the aerial part of the plant. The second part of the function is absorption. That is the second main function, because if we do not provide or it does not absorb the water and mineral that is present in the soil, the rest of the functions cannot be done of the other part of the plant, that is making food by the process of photosynthesis, that cannot be completed until unless water is being provided. So water is provided by the absorption that is done by the roots. So this second function of the root is to absorb all the minerals and water from the soil. The third function is conduction of water and mineral. Now what is the use of this absorb water? Like root has absorbed the water from the soil and it has absorbed the minerals also from the soil, but the if it is not conducting or not throwing or not providing that water to the other parts of the plant, what is the use of that water? That water is used for the by the other parts of the plant for making their food, and then again so that again the roots get their food. Root is the non-green part of the plant. This is the fourth main function. So it cannot make their own food. So these the third and fourth function is interconnected. The third function of the root is to absorb the water and mineral and provide this water and mineral to the other parts of the plant for making the food. And when this food is being made, it is that food is being provided back to the roots, as roots cannot make their food. They are getting their food from, or they are getting from the green part of the plant, that is leaves, because one more pigment is necessary for making the food, that is chlorophyll, which is present only in roots, sorry, only present in leaves. So this leaves make the food, and then this food which is being made in the leaves is transported down towards to the roots by the help of tissues, and where it is being metabolized and helps in growing of the plant. So these are the four main functions. There is one more main functions of the soil, like of the roots. It is being intact in the soil, so it is giving support to the soil also. If the plant is not there deep penetrating deep in the soil, then what will happen when the like wind is flowing or when the rain is coming, this soil get washed away with that, and it does not stick to the one region. So this leads to soil erosion. So protecting soil from not getting eroded, plant is very much necessary. So it is very much necessary that we should like does not leave the land or does not leave the any area without plants. And just a few days back, the Earth Day is gone. So what we should do, we should at least take like if we are taking out one plant, we should grow 5 more plants, so that our air gets oxygen, we stay in a like safe environment, and even our environment, like other things, other we are supporting our animals by doing this. They are getting oxygen, they are getting fresh air, they are getting many, means there are many benefits which we are getting from the plants. We cannot come over or like come in the counting how much plant is necessary for us. So to protect our environment, we should grow one plant if we are one 5 May plants if we are taking out one plant. So for this session, this much only. I'll come with another video further with another topic in detail. Thank you.